According to Cambridge police, package thefts from homes have nearly doubled in the last year.
And Cyber Monday usually means there will be more opportunity for thieves, but there are some steps that you can take to protect your purchases.
See, he came down this way.
Sam Doughton of Brockton hoped a new video doorbell would help keep thieves away, but it didn't stop this man from walking away with several packages from Amazon.
It's a violation. I've never had anything stolen from my property before.
Typically, we see a rise in package theft this time of year.
There are steps you can take to avoid leaving your order in plain view. Request delivery to a back door or even your garage. Sign up for text updates on your delivery. Schedule a date when you know you'll be home. There are also Amazon lockers and even key service to allow the carrier access to your home or car. But video surveillance systems like Sam's can actually help. According to Sergeant Karen Barkas of Quincy Police, videos like these have helped her department track down thieves. And as these systems become more popular, she believes they'll become a more powerful deterrent.
Being able to share it on social media and having that large audience then look at it, we've been very successful.
Brockton police are still looking for the thief who took Sam's packages. In the meantime, he says he'll be more careful about delivery instructions for his next order.
I'm not going to have my stuff stolen again. Either that or just go out to Walmart or wherever and buy it myself.
So Amazon and many other retailers are pretty good about refunding customers money if packages are stolen, so be sure to reach out to them if you are a victim. But, can't we just, quit it?
I know. Like you said, it's a violation. It's like, oh, you see that on security?
Yeah.
Your security camera? Not cool.
Shape up, people.